Looking to boost sales and reward your loyal customers with discounts? Let's set up discount codes on Shopify in just a minute. Head over to the Discounts tab on the left menu. Click on Create Discount and choose between a percentage discount, fixed amount discount, or free shipping. Enter a discount code that's easy for customers to remember. You can even create automatic discounts that apply at checkout. Next, set the discount details: how much, which products or collections it applies to, and any usage limits, like minimum purchase requirements or combinations with other discounts. Then, set the start and end dates for the discount, or keep it ongoing for long-term promotions. Once everything looks good, click Save, and your discount code will be live, ready for customers to use. Want more expert e-commerce tips? Visit neosolax.com or contact us at sales@neosolax.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Shopify tips.